Setting up is pretty straightforward. Once you take it out of the bag, you just fold the mirrors out. You fold the legs to where you want them. They fold all the way up and kind of lock. And then you just adjust it to the angle of the sun. It's pretty straightforward.
The more sun you have, the better it cooks. And some meal can take from 20 minutes to 45 minutes depending on the forecast of the day.
I would say it cooks at least twice as fast, if not more, than a traditional solar oven, and maybe about half as slow as like your oven at home.
You might think that this whole mechanism is hard to clean, but it's actually very, very easy. It's super easy. You just thread it in and you push it in and out of the actual GoSun and it cleans the inside. And this one you can clean just as well as you clean your other cooking stuff.
We clean tube and the reflector usually with just denatured alcohol and a rag, which keeps it nice and clean. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys want to GoSun stove because we love it. Hopefully you'll love it too.
Bye! See you next time.
See you next time, guys.